I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You have Flutter installed and Vscode with the Flutter extension. First, run Flutter version so you know the baseline. Once done, download or switch to the target SDK, either a stable release or a specific channel, because you need that exact SDK folder. Then update your path to point at the new Flutter/bin location so Vscode and terminals see the change immediately. Make sure to close and reopen Vscode after altering the path to apply environment changes. Now proceed to switch the SDK itself. If you're using channels, run Flutter channel name and Flutter upgrade. If you fetched a release manually, point path to that folder. Next, set Flutter root if needed so tools reference the right root. On Windows Update System Environment, on Mac OS/Linux, edit your shell profile. Once configured, restart Vscode so the Dart and Flutter extensions detect the SDK. Finally, run Flutter Doctor in the integrated terminal to verify dependencies and fix any flagged issues. Finish by cleaning and rebuilding. Run Flutter clean, then Flutter pubget, and a full build to ensure plugins and generated files align with the new SDK. If you use workspace settings or dev containers, update those to reference the new SDK path so Vscode tasks and debuggers work. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to check path ordering and the Flutter extension's configured SDK path. Conflicts often come from multiple SDKs on the machine or an unopened Vscode after path changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.